Carrolyn from Conley Guerrero Senior Activities Center and the 50 Plus program. Today, we're going to explore some ways to function inside the box with a special project. Because so many of us are staying home these days, thought it might be kind of fun to look at what you have around the house and create a project to organize. So I'm looking at the toilet paper roll. As you can see, toilet paper rolls fit very nicely inside of a shoebox, except for the few that you have to scrunch on the side, but that's okay too. You can decorate your shoebox with contact paper, wallpaper, tissue paper, construction paper, even old maps that you might have around the house that you don't need anymore. Or you can just simply leave the box unfinished. It works just as well. As you can see, I've used this as a way to organize pencils, pens, art supplies, even things that you might put in the garage, like the zip ties. One of the wonderful things that you can do with these rolls is to put your extension cords in them and other cords. And you can even label what kind of cord it is, because if you're like me, you sometimes can't remember what this cord was for. You can even decorate them if you choose with a little piece of paper, or in this case some fabric, just a little dab of glue, or even some Scotch tape, and you'll have a decorative organizational box. Sometimes we have little boxes. They're just loose. You can put them inside of a larger box and create a pattern. And then when you open your drawer, you can say, wow, look what I did. I'm a designer. You can go to the kitchen, and there you can find the little cups, paper cups for the muffin tins. I would suggest that you use 3 or more because they are a little bit flimsy. Or you can use little plastic cups. But this kind of containers are wonderful for coins and little things that you just don't know where else to put them. So I hope this will give you some ideas of how you can organize and create your space, make it more wonderful than it already is. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, we'll see you later.